In this video, I'll show you how to enable an ultra dark mode on iOS 26.2 to make your iPhone look darker, save battery life, and reduce eye strain. First, open Settings and go to Display and Brightness. Turn on Dark Mode. You can also enable Automatic and set it from sunset to sunrise if you prefer. Next, use a mostly dark wallpaper. Dark wallpapers work best on OLED iPhones because black pixels are turned off, saving battery. Go to the home screen, tap and hold, then tap Edit, and choose Customize. Enable the darker wallpaper tint. Now switch icons to dark and set them to Always for a consistent dark look. Go back to Settings, then tap Display and Brightness, tap Liquid Glass. Select Tinted instead of Clear to reduce transparency and increase contrast. Now go to Settings, tap Accessibility, then tap Display and Text Size. Turn on Reduce Transparency, Increase, Contrast, Show Button Shapes. This makes UI elements clearer and darker. For an even darker look, enable Reduce White Point and set it around 50 to 60%. And that's how you enable a true ultra-dark mode on iOS 26.2. It looks better, saves battery, and is much easier on your eyes. Like and subscribe for more iOS tips.